everyone, welcome to the second sprint of the ReThink Waste Challenge. Here we'll see what the top 18 teams are doing. Let's go!
Today we learned about the value proposition canvas to identify the value proposition of an innovative solution or product we actually at Wastebook want to come up with, and about the business model canvas as well.
Let's go, guys!
Oh, that's important. Okay.
Hi everyone, this is Ignacio, one of our partners. And what do you think is the added value that you give to students?
I think the added value that we give to students is our experience. How to go to the market, how to make business, how to make things viable, feasible. So how innovation works on real world and not on paper.
And what do you learn from this experience?
I learn a different point of views of how students see the world and the energy they put on it. That's the encouraging me to keep working on this kind of initiatives.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I found the event today very inspiring.
Inspirational.
Yeah, it was a good learning experience.
We together, Team BBNB, we learned a lot. We brainstormed about our product more. We thought of all the prototypes we're going to make, so we're really excited.
Hello. Today's day was very intense. We got to learn a lot of new things today. And there were some topics that we thought which are very good from our end, but when talking with different partners, we got to know that we need to work on them a lot more. And
So now you got a taste of what it means to be a partner of this challenge. And also what it's like to be a participant of challenges like this. If you want to know more about this type of challenges or joining the next challenge, then check our socials. I'll see you soon!